Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. Today we are going to do face yoga exercises to reduce wrinkles. We cannot reverse the age, but yes, we can slow down the process of aging. Let us start. Close your eyes, relax yourself. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, expand your chest, exhale, contract. Relax your mind, your body. We'll chant Om, deep inhalation. And release with a beautiful smile. After 5, we need to stop eating oily food, no refined sugar after 5, no salt. Some of the things that we need to take care. Drink lot of water every half an hour, half glass of water. Take lot of green vegetables, and if possible, we can take bay leaf water. Soak it overnight, drink that water for 14 days. Amazing, very good. It helps to detox your body and very good for reducing wrinkles too. Okay, now let's start with breathing exercises. Firstly, we are going to do Kapal Dhoti Kriya. Kapal Dhoti Kriya, fingertip. Inhale. Relax, release. Every asana, every kriya we have to perform for 3 times for better result, and you are going to see amazing result after the session. Let's do it again. Inhale. Inhale. Now let's do blow kriya. Blow kriya also help to detox your body. Very good for increasing blood circulation, and it's very easy how we need to do it. Place your hand on your knees properly. Always try to sit straight when you're doing yoga. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Forceful exhalation help to clear toxins from your body. Every asana, every kriya 3 times. One more time we are going to do it, but little more faster. Let's do it. Inhale. 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 Relax. Let's do balloon tapping pose. How are you going to do it? Make a balloon. Inhale. massage ever. This helps to increase blood circulation. Let's do this again. Inhale, fill your mouth with air. The best asana we can do to reduce wrinkles. Now let's do second asana, which is really good for your nose labial pole. This we call cheek and tongue pose. It is also very easy. Place your tongue inside. Now trace the line. Chain the side. We are going to feel the stretch here. This also helps to reduce thyroid. Let's do this asana again. Place your tongue. With face yoga, you can control thyroid too. One more time, place here properly. Relax, release. Now for the eye wrinkle, what we are going to do? We are going to do eye raise pose. Raise your eyebrows up. Okay, now look down. And release. So parallelly you are stretching from both sides. First raise your eyebrows up. Raise it up properly. Don't create any line. Relax yourself. Now look down. And release. Let's do this again one more time, and now try to hold it for 10 seconds. Gradually you can increase it. Raise your eyebrows up. Look down. And relax, release. Now let's do simple massage that will help you to reduce wrinkle. Very easy. Let's start from your forehead side. Place your finger properly. Let's massage it properly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll do the inward massage. Hold here. Inward massage. Hold. Side of your forehead, rotate properly. Reverse. Okay, now eye wrinkle. Very simple. Eye index massage with index finger. No pressure here. Medium pressure. No pressure. Medium pressure. No pressure. Medium pressure. And relax. Try to do it for 10 count. Now your laughing line, very simple, side of your face, and relax. Hold here. And relax. Now chin. Place it like this. And never ignore your neck area. Upward massage. Always neck, upward massage. And relax. Close your eyes for a while. Hope you enjoyed our session. Always stay healthy, happy, beautiful. Thank you.